pinag-aral kita, pinag-college kita, tapos yung pinag-aral ko ang naging trabaho mo, taga-ayos ng upuan. Tama ba yun? Sino dito may friend ka sa Facebook, kung makakomment, kala mo talaga katali-talino? May mga kilala kang ganun sa TikTok, yung parang nang-downgrade ng mga empleyado. Tama ba? Sarap hampasin ng mic. Kung makapagbigay siya ng opinion sa negosyo, kala mo may sarili siyang negosyo. Huwag mong gawin yan. Hindi maganda yan. Etong gawin mo, di ba? Makapagbigay ng opinion, ganyan, kala mo talaga kagagaling. Pag in-inspection mo, patingin nga ako ng negosyo mo, wala. Theory lang, correct? Sino dito can relate sa akin? Binigyan mo na ng bonus. Binigyan mo ng 13th month pay. Binigyan mo na ng damit. Binigyan mo na ng lahat. Chinichismis ka pa. Ako lang ba nakaka-relate dito? Ano mga perfect yung mga empleyado nyo? O ako din? Can you relate? Tama ba? Binayaran mo na nga yung kuryente sa bahay, di ba nung nangutang, nanghingi ng advance? Ma'am, advance po. Hindi mo lang pinagbigyan ng isang beses, nakalimutan yung in-advance na utang. Ako lang ba nakaka-relate o kayo din? And sino dito will agree sometimes unresolved pain like that, we still carry it. Sometimes it blocks us from being successful. Now, can I share to you maybe my first lesson for you guys today? Yes? When life is never about just strategy, it's about my identity. When I now start to understand na yung kakayahan ko ay hindi nakadepende sa mga experience ko in the past. Wow! Anyone happy and excited for today, mga Cebuanos? Taas mo kamay mo if yes. Tapikin mo yung nasa kanan, sabi mo maayong buntag. Kapag pag tinapik ka, sabihin mo rin, maayong buntag, tapikin mo sa kabila, no? Sino dito you're excited to learn a lot for today? Taas ang kamay. Tignan mo yung katabi mo kung mukha bang excited yan. Sabi nila, yes. Yung iba dito, alas 10 na po, no? Bugnutin pa rin, no? Kung kailangan nyo po ng kape, meron tayong sponsor ng kape sa likod, no? You can actually get there. But before anything else, I just wanna honor and acknowledge everyone for being here. Palakpakan mo naman yung sarili mo. Truly, no, gusto ko lang magpasalamat before I start. Of course, with Uniprint and UniPC. Thank you so much, Boss Gilbert. Palakpakan naman natin. Sino dito gusto mong ma-educate at matuto on how you can be more successful this year? Not just more successful, maybe double, 3 times, 5x, even 10x your result. Taas ang kamay. Walang hype. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabihin mo, friend, walang poweran, tunay na kwento lang. Wow. Tama po ba? Gusto mo yon? Yes or no? Now, here's the thing. The reality on why I'm so excited for today is because usually, kapag merong mga events, conferences, convention na ganito, especially with people that have millions of followers online, usually you will have to pay big amount of money. Tama po ba? Na para bang there is a door between success and non-success. Pansin nyo ba yon? How come the opportunity for growth, the opportunity to become successful ay reserve lang exclusively doon sa mga taong kaya magbayad? Sino dito nakaka-relate? Taas ang kamay. Na para bang kapag hindi ka, nagsisimula ka pa lang, kapag ba parang wala kang connection, wala kang network, wala kang maybe financial backing, it's as if you will have to knock and you will have to line up to this door of opportunity. Pansin nyo ba yon? That is how education used to be. That is how learning used to be. And can I share with you kung bakit sobrang excited ako for today? Yes or yes? Thumbs up if yes. Parang Zoom meeting lang, no? Thumbs up if yes. Why? Because GCI and SuccessCon make a really revolutionary strategy. Ang ginawa ni GCI, ang ginawa ng SuccessCon is to make it what? Affordable to everyone. You wanna know why I'm so excited? Tinanggal niya yung pinto. Are you with me? Na para bang it makes it affordable for everyone, it makes it accessible for everyone so that gone are the days the rich gets richer, the poor gets poorer. Sabihin mo, ako rin. Ready, begin. Can everyone say, ako rin? Gone are the days na sila lang yung pwede magkaroon ng opportunity, sila lang ang pwedeng yumaman, sila lang ang pwedeng umasenso. Ask me why. Because wala na yung pinto na nag-differentiate between exclusive and inclusive. The reason kung bakit we made it very affordable, magkano lang to? $999. Tama po ba? and yet you're gonna get 9 speakers that are practitioners. Maganda ba yun? Ask me what's the best part. We are now entering a new age. We are now entering a new world. And therefore, sino dito gusto mo magkaroon ng asenso sa negosyo? Taas ang kamay. Can you imagine yung 9 speakers na magsasalita mamaya, hindi sila theoretical lang, meron silang execution? Maganda ba yun? They don't just provide you concept, but they will provide you with what? The application, because it made it work for themselves. Para masabi mo sa sarili mong ako rin. Maganda ba yun? Bakit ko kailangan to simulan ng ganito? Because okay lang ba if I introduce myself quickly? I wanna introduce myself to you kasi sino dito nakita na ako online? Wow, thank you so much. Sino dito hindi nyo pa ako nakita online? Okay lang, di ko rin naman kayo nakita, di ba? Quits lang tayo. Sa mga nakita na ako online, pwede bang umamin? Okay lang? Whenever I do my content, I actually spend 15 minutes of every week. So what you see in me online is not what I do 24/7. It's as if you're looking at my life for 15 minutes of 7 days. Nagigets? So why am I sharing that with you? Yung pagkakakilala nyo sa akin maybe is just 1/8 or 1/16 of what I do on a day-to-day basis, and allow me to introduce myself on what I do on a day-to-day basis. Okay lang po ba? And speaking, I will tell you, is just 30% of what I do. 70% of what I do, katulad nga no nakasulat dito, is all about business. Can everyone say the word business? Now, when I talk about business, I don't just talk about having your own. Sino dito gusto mo maging negosyante? Sino dito nagtatrabaho? Isa sa mga pet peeve ko, okay lang ba sabihin ko sa inyo? Para yumaman ka at para umasenso ka, kailangan may sarili kang negosyo. May mga kilala kang ganun sa TikTok, yung parang nang downgrade ng mga empleyado. Tama ba? Sarap hampasin ng mic. Ay, mali. Sorry. No? Can you relate with me? Yes or no? Ask me why. I have a business right now, no? And this is something that I'm very proud of, that I serve as president, but I started not as president, I started as a chairman. Palakpakan nyo naman, bakit chairman na kayo agad? Alam nyo ba kung ano yung chairman? Taga-ayos ng chairs. Oh, totoo. Yan ang trabaho ko dati. I graduated in college, literally, and yet, even if I graduated college, can you imagine, ang una kong trabaho, tinanggal ko lahat ng pride ko, at ang gagawin ko is mag-ayos ng upuan. To learn and to get mentored by this very person that I could say I will never be here not for this person. Ang pangalan niya po si Coach Ras. Nasaan si Coach Ras? No? Palakpakan naman natin siya kung nasan siya. Seriously, nung si Coach Ras, hindi pa siya si Coach Ras, tatatlo pa lang kaming taong magkakasama, yung negosyo, 3 tao lang din, kaming 3 yun. Meron kaming program dito sa Cebu, ayan si Chin, no? Taas ka naman ng kamay, Chin. 15 lang po sila dati. Can you imagine yung Discovery dati, 15 tao lang. Ngayon, 150. Now, why am I saying this with you guys? Ask me why. I started from the bottom. I started from being what? Maintenance. I started from being what? Taga-ayos, taga-set up, taga-pack up. Are you with me? Now tell me, working for something or working for someone will not create success. Ask me why. Isa lang ang naging puhunan ko. Ask me what? Ang naging mindset ko nung taga-ayos ako ng upuan, sabi ko, my time will come, ako rin. Number 1 is what? Belief. Can everyone say the word belief? And it's never about just hard work. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabi mo, friend, it's never about hard work. Ask me why. Kung sipag at tiyaga lang ang puhunan ng mga tao, how ka majority of people masipag at matyaga, especially mga Cebuano? Tama po ba? Napakagaling ng mga Cebuano, napakagaling ng mga Bisaya. I will tell you guys this. Ask me why. Ang minimum requirement sa inyo, 3 lengguwahe. Kami nga, 2 lang. Pero how come many people are not creating success? Ask me why. It's never about just sipag or tiyaga. It's never about hard work alone. It's about what? Faith work. Can everyone say the word faith work? Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabihin mo, Besh, faith is not something that you do when things are going well. Hindi yan yung bagay na sabihin mo, grabe, ang taas ng paniniwala ko sa sarili ko, at sinabi mo nung January 1, meron ka pang picture selfie, ang caption mo, day 1 of 365. Tama, mali? Tapos sabi mo, ay grabe, excited na excited ako, yes? What's the problem? Ask me what? Your belief is not dictated by that, no. Your belief will be dictated when the going gets tough on March, on April, on May. Worst comes to worst, kung hindi man tama tong desisyon ko, madali namang magtrabaho ulit. Can I speak with you guys? Worst comes to worst, kapag hindi gumana ang negosyo mo, hindi gumana ang venture mo, hindi gumana yung whatever it is you're thinking right now, you can always go back to where you were. Some of you are afraid to take risk, yes or no? Here's the truth. Can I share to you the only downfall that you will have for failing whatever it is that you're thinking about? Yes? You're just going back to today. Babalik ka lang sa kung anong status mo ngayong araw. Ganun din pala eh. Sabi ko sa magulang ko noon, babalik lang din naman ako sa kung anong status ko ngayon. But can I share to you what I realized, yes or no? Because of that belief, sinamahan ko ng pangalawa, grow. Can everyone say grow? Hindi lang pwedeng positive. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo nga, tapikin mo, sabihin mo, friend, hindi lang pwedeng positive. Aral-aral din. Kailangan may kasamang pag-aaral and you need to grow about it. Now, what's the best part? Ask me what? You are here today. You're growing. Palakpakan mo naman yung sarili mo. Now, maybe last but not the least, is it enough that you actually grow? Yes or no? No. You will encounter the third thing which is the most important. Ask me what? Maraming tao, hilig nila mag-grow, marami silang nalalaman, pero hindi umaasenso. Tama, mali? Paano ko nasabi? Ask me why. Sino dito may friend ka sa Facebook, kung maka-comment ka, alam mo talaga, katali-talino. Di ba sino dito yung kapag Pasko, kapag reunion, kapag alumni homecoming, tapos nakita-kita kayo mga kaibigan mo, kung makapagbigay siya ng opinion sa negosyo, kala mo may sarili siyang negosyo. Tama, mali? Huwag mong gawin yan. Hindi maganda yan. Etong gawin mo, di ba? Makapagbigay ng opinion, ganyan, kala mo talaga kagagaling. Pag in-inspection mo, patingin nga ako ng negosyo mo, wala, theory lang, correct? It's not enough to just grow. Ask me why. Dapat na e-execute yan. Now, buti sana kung madali mag-execute. Execution is the hardest thing of all. Ask me why. Because you are now being dealt with emotion. Tama ba? Madali lang ma-reject kung puro ka lang salita. Pero hindi naman salita lang yung rejection. Tama ba? Sino dito nakarinig na ng motivational speaker sabihin, rejection is part of the process? Yes? Tama naman yon. Tama ba? Buti sana kung ganun lang. Sakit kaya ma-reject? Kayo kaya ma-reject? Sino dito nagne-negosyo na katulad ko? Pag nare-reject, masakit pa rin. Tama po ba? Can you imagine, we're so focused on learning how to, but we have not focused even on dealing with our own emotion. And sino dito will agree with me that sometimes what keeps you from being successful is not because you don't know any better, no. Sometimes what keeps us from being successful or going to the next level is lang, ask me what? There are a lot of blocks, like pain, like rejection, like baggages, like resentment, that are sometimes making us ask, wag na lang kaya? Isuko ko na lang kaya to? Meron bang negosyante na dito, taas ang kamay? Yung may mga empleyado na, taas ang kamay. Sino dito can relate sa akin, binigyan mo na ng bonus, binigyan mo ng 13th month pay, binigyan mo na ng damit, binigyan mo na ng lahat, chinichismis ka pa. Ako lang ba nakaka-relate dito? Ano mga perfect yung mga empleyado nyo? Ako din. Can you relate? Tama ba? Binayaran mo na nga yung kuryente sa bahay, di ba nung nangutang, nanghingi ng advance? Ma'am, advance po. Hindi mo lang pinagbigyan ng isang beses, nakalimutan yung in-advance na utang. Ako lang ba nakaka-relate o kayo din? And sino dito will agree sometimes unresolved pain like that, we still carry it. Sometimes it blocks us from being successful. Are you getting this? Now, can I share to you maybe my first lesson for you guys today? Yes? This is what I learned. Ito yung natutunan ko that maybe allowed me from being, naalala nyo, taga-setup, taga-pack-up lang ako dati. Right now, that very same business, I now am the president. Hindi doon nagtatapos. Ask me why. Kasi nung natutunan ko itong i-share ko sa inyo, if there's one thing that I'm so proud about, in just 1 year in 2023, we have literally 5x the actual asset of that company in 12 months. That's why when you go to Manila, isa lang po ang coaching company in Manila na may sariling real estate. Kami lang. Maganda hindi. May sariling shooting studio. Kami lang. In the future, 3 years from now, may sariling retreat center. Kami lang. Hindi lang putyo-putyong retreat center. It's a 5-hectare retreat center that we have. Why am I saying this with you? Ask me why. Buti na lang natutunan ko to. Kasi kung hindi ko to natutunan, maybe iisipin ko, I will have to turn 45, 50 years old for me to accomplish something like this. Little did I know it will entail me even before 30. Magte-30 na po ako, hindi lang halata, naka-stage lang ako kasi mukha ko 17, di ba? Pero at magte-30 na po ako. But I'm gonna be honest with you, okay lang, buti na lang natutunan ko to. Ask me why. Whatever I now have made possible will not happen if I don't believe that it is possible. Are you with me? When life is never about just strategy, it's about my identity. That I am not, can everyone say, I am not my experiences. I am not my pain. I am not my rejections. Can you imagine how beautiful it is when I now start to understand na yung kakayahan ko ay hindi nakadepende sa mga experience ko in the past? Na kung anong posible sa akin, hindi nadidikta ng mga rejection ko in the past. Are you with me? Not just that. Ask me why. Dahil natutunan ko yun. Personally, I have 4 businesses to date. One of the companies have 50 manpower. 50 na po ang tao niyan. Average age, 23 years old. Maganda ba yun? Average income, median income is 40,000 a month. Can you imagine 23 years old earning 40,000? Ask me why. Hindi binago yung kaalaman lang, ang binago pagkatao. Sino dito, you want to maybe discover that in yourself also so that you will create massive change in 2024. And when I say discover, never about you learning strategies further, but you learning who you are and how capable you can be. Maganda ba yun?